I became a lawyer, but that was not expected in my life. I was a guy that was most interested in science, technology, and in music, so the entertainment industry as a whole. And I used to have actually a tech startup in the early 2000s. And so law became kind of as a surprise, but intellectual property was kind of where I found all of the things I loved in life: technology, science, business, and entertainment, copyright. So I became involved with IP very early in my career. And one of my mentors at Robic was François Pinchot, who had been the president of Alias years prior to that. So he told me, "Hey, Vince, you should join Alias. That's the best place where you'll get to network with people your age and then create a good North American and international network of IP professionals." And at that time, he said, "You know what? There's a group of young people. They started the YMC group, the Young Members Congress. You should join that and see how it goes." So, of course, I went to a first event, and by the end of that event, I was kind of on the board. So it was pretty quick that I made some friends, and the rest is history. I mean, I just joined LES, had a lot of fun. I got involved in many committees. I've been involved with organizing events. Of course, a lot of people focus on education with LES because I think it stands out as really high quality content. But for me, the part that was the most instrumental for my career was really the network of people that I met through Alias. So younger professionals, just like me, that joined, that were early in their career, that wanted to meet people living the same reality all over the place from North America and even from the rest of the world with Alias International. And those people became friends and friends for life. Now, I've been involved for, I would say, around 15 years, and most of them are now either on the board, chairing committees, having very important roles in their organizations. So, being involved at an early stage of my career was really something I cannot state enough how important it's been for my career as a whole to join when I was younger and not to wait until I was really established in my practice before joining. So that would be a recommendation for younger professionals. Join as soon as you can.